This machine is a 48-volt product. It's got 24 kilowatt hours of energy, and with the electric motor that's in it, you have 21.5 horsepower peak motor, so you have more than enough power to run any application, and in fact, you probably have more than you need in most cases.
Want to put some extra horsepower behind your operations? Click the link below to subscribe to Equipment World's daily newsletter for the latest construction equipment news, trends, and reviews.
Hi, I'm Justin Zupanc, Compaction Product Manager at Volvo Construction Equipment, and here today to talk to you about the DD15 Electric Double Drum Compactor. And this is a product that we are previewing at World of Asphalt to really gauge customer feedback. We want to see what people think about it. Do they understand it? Do they look at the applications that are really accessible for it? From the vibration system, you have hydraulic vibration drive, very much the same as what you have on a diesel model. And up on the operator station, you have all your controls that are easily accessible, display off to the side, as well as your main operating controls up in front of the operator. So it really does provide a seamless interface for somebody that's been running a diesel machine versus an electric. The other thing that somebody would be looking for is, how do I charge this? And in the back of the machine, we actually have the charge port. So it would be a standard SAE plug that we would use in North America, and you can charge with your Type 1 or Type 2, 120 volts or 240 volts. Operating weight for this machine, it's going to be just about 3,500 pounds, and then you have two drum widths as well. So we have this one is, as it sits here in the booth, this is going to be our 35-inch drum, and we also have an optional 39-inch drum that would be available on a product of this size class as well. Right now, we don't have a date that we're committing to, but customer feedback has been very good, and we think that there's a market for it. I think when you look at a product like this, you're looking at somebody who's doing smaller jobs that could be driveways, small parking lots, maybe patching work. Municipalities are a great fit for a machine like this. It really looks at what your job type is. For a machine like this with 24 kilowatt hours of energy, you actually get a large amount of runtime. So you're looking at a full day of typical operation for a machine of this size class. And it could be anybody in those small machine categories would be a good fit, especially if you have sensitive environments that you're working around. We're starting to see more and more contractors that are doing work inside of warehouses, inside of structures that are already built. And they're looking for a solution where they don't need to set up ventilation equipment. Something like this where you can run, drive it through a doorway. You don't have to worry about setting up fans or ventilation. Now you really can get the job done more efficiently, more effectively, and move on to the next task.
For more videos like this, click the playlist on the screen now.